In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your domain in Nexcess with SPF, DKIM, and DNS setup. This process might sound complicated, but if we break it down step by step, it's actually pretty straightforward. By the end, you'll enhance your email deliverability and security. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Nexcess client portal. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Go to Plans. Clicking on this will bring up a list of your websites or email services. Make sure you select the correct one that you intend to authenticate. After selecting your website or email service, the next thing you want to do is open your site dashboard. This is where you can manage various aspects of your site, including domains. So on the left menu, go ahead and click on Domains. Now what you want to do from here is select the domain you wish to authenticate. Once you've got it, click on View DNS Records or Email Authentication, SPF, DKIM, depending on what you see. Next, it's time to copy the SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records provided by Nexcess. This part is crucial, as these are the records you'll need to add to your domain registrar. Now for the next step, log into your domain registrar. Whether it's GoDaddy, Namecheap, Cloudflare, or another service, it's important to know where you're going. Once you're in, head over to the DNS management section for your domain. This is where you'll add or update your DNS records. Now you want to add or update 3 records in particular. First, let's handle the SPF record. This will typically look something like VCSPF1 include emails rvr.com, all. It's entered as a TXT record, so be meticulous when adding it. Next up, we have the DKIM record. Depending on your provider, this could be a SNAME or a TXT record. Either way, you must ensure copying is exactly as shown in Nexcess. No deviations, as this will impact your authentication. Then comes the DMARC record. While this is optional, it is highly recommended for that extra layer of protection. An example of what this looks like is VDMARC1 PI none RUA mail to you at domain.com. Again, you'll want this as a TXT record. After setting up these records, it's crucial to save your changes. They're your hard work after all. Now return to Nexcess and click either Verify Domain or check Authentication to complete the process on their end. Finally, there's a waiting game. You'll need to allow some time for DNS propagation, which typically takes a few hours. Once that's done, your domain's SPF and DKIM will be active, significantly enhancing your email deliverability and security. By following these steps, you've successfully authenticated your domain in Nexcess. Your emails are now more secure,